welcome to Key's Cooking Show. I'm Key, and this is my guest, Christy.
Thank you, everyone.
Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
See you in a minute.
So, she is in town for the weekend, so I thought it would be fun for us to get into a little cooking show, cook for her, well, we cook together, and she came up with a recipe, so I'm gonna let you tell them all about it.
Yeah, so we're gonna be making pineapple bowls. That's what I call them. It's really just, you know, some fried rice, honey chicken, and then like a special little sauce we're gonna whip up. And yeah, we're gonna chop a pineapple and put it in a bowl.
I feel like this is something exotic, but it's something easy you can make at home. I was just telling her I spent, what, $35 on it, and it's for two. So I know it's gonna be good, it's gonna get you nice and full. So let's get started.
So you got some apple cider vinegar, some honey, sweet and sour sauce. We got our jasmine rice. Got some butter, some all-purpose flour, green onion, soy sauce for that rice. We got our pineapple, which we're gonna cut in half. We got peppers, and these are sweet peppers, and some chicken.
All right, we are back. So we are about to fry the chicken. And then the rice is actually simmering down, so then we're gonna fry that right after. So let's get into this chicken.
We're waiting for the grease to heat up right now. So I'm gonna get it like a little high. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of water in there in a couple seconds, see how it reacts, and then we'll know if it's go time. In the meantime, we got our chicken all chopped up and seasoned. Got our little egg solution made and seasoned as well for that honey chicken that we're gonna make. And then we also got our little, this is old school country. We put our flour in here. Let's see. Let me put it low. Can't see.
I can zoom from the.
Okay. I'm like,
they gon' get it. All right, so let's get into it. We're about to fry this chicken. So it's gonna go chicken, egg, flour, and then into the pan, of course. So let's get into it. Now, with these pieces being so small, is it okay to chunk it up or little by
just
little?
make sure when it's in there, when you put it in here, it's separate. I'm gonna like work with it this time, honestly. You can do a lot. Because I don't want it like fried on easily.
Messy, sorry. I wonder if they would have cooked the same as you would have put them in the air fryer.
Probably.
Some lazy shit.
They probably would have. I was thinking that, but it's better to do it this way for the show.
Old fashioned.
Make sure you kind of like shake it.
The bag?
No, the chicken in there. Like when you get it in the flour, like shake it around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like fully coated. That chicken's frying. Fried chicken.
Should put it in some mustard. They said that makes it crispy.
Not right now.
I'm about to cut it for the sake of recording. Space.
Yeah, for sure. And that chicken in there.
All right, y'all. So we did get that rice ready. It's been simmering for some time now.
Yeah.
So we got that
We're gonna
going.
go ahead and use our peppers and our green onion, some butter to fry that rice. We'll be back shortly.
All right, y'all. So we are cooking this butter. I mean, boy, it's been a day. That's it.
Okay.
We're
So,
cooking the rice.
yeah, we're cooking the rice now. I went ahead and put a little bit of butter in there, got a few peppers. I wanted to show you guys the rest. So we're gonna add some of the peppers that Chef Key has prepped for us.
Yes, absolutely.
You're going to add green onion as well. Smells delightful. And get that to a nice little simmer. And we're going to add some of this soy sauce to give you that flavor and that color, you know, everybody's used to when they see the fried rice. Okay. I'm going to add that. Key to fried rice is a lot of butter, y'all.
There's never too much of anything. All right, y'all. So we got this rice frying here. And again, she got the rice, the sweet peppers, and the green onions. Soy sauce, and some butter. I think we used about a stick at this point.
And we're just gonna let that get a little crunch, a little bit of crunch on it. I like my fried rice to have a little bit of crunch. I don't like it too gummy. Looks like it's doing the job here. I'm gonna cut it down so we get a little rice cake type of vibe going.
All right, y'all. So she's still frying it, but we're gonna get into this sauce glaze.
This rice is done.
Yeah, and it smells amazing, y'all. So we got this sweet and sour sauce. I got honey, apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do some soy sauce. She's gonna tell me the measurements. So I already got it on medium. Pop these off.
So
3, 2.
we're gonna get into this glaze. So we have some sweet and sour sauce that we're gonna use.
Put it down a little bit.
Smell
Smell it again. Spicy.
A little bit of apple cider vinegar in there. A few drops of soy sauce in there.
Y'all, only do this if y'all feel exotic, because it's a lot going on here, but all in all, it's really simple. It's really simple.
Add some pineapple for flavoring. Get some of that juice in there. Should just so get some pineapple juice. That pineapple really brings out the flavor.
Yeah. It's gonna be so good. Big bag is loading. Okay.
I'm gonna add a few green onions in there.
Colorful palette. Let's get into it though.
Start stirring that.
Amazing. Homemade, y'all.
See how creamy that sauce is looking. Wish we
That's
had
going over the chicken or the
teriyaki
rice.
sauce. It's going over those.
You know, why did I type that in, but then I didn't see it on the list, so I was like, I'm tripping, and I took it off.
Yeah, that's what we really need. Teriyaki basically. The soy will kind of like offset it a little.
It's together. What's it
You
giving?
smell that?
What's
Smell
it
it. Smell it. It's like a citrus, like it's very, it's like a glaze, like honeyish glaze.
Yes, that's going on the chicken.
We're
Yes.
gonna put it on the rice as well.
Ooh, I can't do my dance in here. You don't want a second floor, but yes.
Yes, we're gonna get that douse on that rice.
Looks like somewhere in church.
Oh, I'll show you. It's a I got like a little black pepper spray and like a red little blazer. Got a little tie. I got noodles. I'm gonna tell you what. I'll fuck my mom.
I would say the bar.
You really want it spicy? I don't know how spicy you want, but like put some a couple red pepper flakes.
We don't do spicy at 56.75.
Yeah, I figured that's why I'm gonna get it. Just taste you like a little spice.
But if you're feeling zesty, what you say? Red peppers?
Mm-hmm.
Red peppers, throw something in there.
Okay, you want to taste some of this? Serious or you
I don't feel anything though. Let me see both.
what tastes like you need?
It's like right at a base. So it needs some type of more sweetness. I don't know, sweet and sour sauce or more pineapples. I'm thinking more pineapple.
Any honey. Ooh. No, I need to get more.
Okay.
Taste it. Because it's damn near there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see. It's almost there.
Honey.
Yeah. I'm gonna put
And
some
sweet
more of
and
this.
sour
Mhm.
sauce. Yeah.
Ooh, Kiki, this gonna be so good.
Oh my God! Stop!
I was telling you, bro. I would never tell you that.
I might tell you, Joe.
It was just enough appetite to be very nice. Alright, so we got our sauce together. Brought it to a boil. This sauce is gonna taste so amazing on top of that rice and that chicken.
Absolutely.
Okay. Our rice is done. Got rice, got some pineapple, chilies, peppers, some.
I'm gonna get a close up on all this. So.
And then we're gonna get our chicken out so we can go ahead and build the bowl. Alright, so we got everything all ready.
Yes. Look, we are eager. Okay.
We're like about to tear this up.
Literally.
So we're gonna go ahead and pack our bowls. I got them set out here with our set up. And we're gonna go ahead and put our rice in the bowls, right? We're going to go ahead and put the rice in the bowls first, and that way we can just put the chicken and the glaze on top. So-
did you want a spoon or?
Yeah, I just have one.
I know. I
But
put
what
it in
you
the
put it-
dishwasher.
okay.
I'm trying to clean.
It's okay. Use this one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright. So, well, which one? Here, which one do you want? I'll let you put as much rice as you want.
Oh, okay.
Chef Key. I'm excited. I'm over here smiling. I'm like, so what do you think?
Because I know my eyes just look so big.
No, but I'm not gonna lie. I really smashed this when I ate it.
Where did you get it from?
pepperoni.
How did you hear about it?
I had tried it one day. You know, in Florida, there's all type of exotic things going on. So I had tried it somewhere out, and I was like, ooh, I like tasted it. I was like, I know exactly how to do it. So I looked it up just to like see what all I would need. And after I did that, I made it for my grandma and her husband when I was staying out there with them.
Yeah, you made it out there?
Yeah, that was my first time making
Nice.
it. And everybody loved it. They made me make it like 3 times when I was there.
Yes.
And
See, that's why we got through this
I was like, I
so
need to sell
quick.
it.
Because you like, we need that, and that.
Mhm.
Boom. Okay, period.
And I know
Definitely made it
exactly,
sound easy.
I know exactly what we need for it.
For sure.
I am going to pour some of the sauce over the chicken just so that before we put it over the bowl, our chicken is nice and coated. Alright. So, this is our sauce. Looks so good. Smell good too. Pour that glaze in. Okay. Our chicken has that sauce. looking like the island.
Nice.
All
Can we
right.
get a close up right quick?
Yeah.
That's really nice.
You can just smell all the flavor.
For sure.
See the pineapples and the
amazing.
peppers. All looking good. So we're gonna put our chicken on our bowls. And then while you're getting your chicken, I'm gonna just like build my bowl so it looks presentable. All right, so we have got our chicken, our rice, our bowls all packed to capacity. Okay, now we're gonna take the rest of the glaze and give it a good pour.
Oh my god. That looks amazing. Look at that drip, y'all. Stop.
Woo. When I tell y'all this is about to be so amazing.
Amazing.
All right. Key, I just want to say thank you so much for inviting me into your home. My girl has been grinding, getting it together. I already know this is going to go up for you. I'm glad I could bring this meal to the ATL.
Yes. Florence, Georgia. Pineapple, Caribbean, hibachi, whatever you want to call it. We are about to go in on this.
Y'all can see that.
Yeah, but try it at home and you'll see for yourself.
All right.
Catch us on next time with Cooking with Key. See y'all later.